Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So on this video I'm going to show you how to use Q in 8 ball pool. So let's begin. First of all, open your 8 ball pool application. So in order to demonstrate, I'm using it in a offline game. So swipe right and tap on this practice offline. Here choose any one of them. I'm using pass and play here. So basically Q is the stick that is used while hitting the ball. So first of all, adjust the ball, and in order to use the Q, just swipe this and adjust the power with which you want to hit and just release it. So basically the use of Q is to handle the power of this ball. So basically you can adjust the ball and rotate the Q, and in order to hit the ball, just adjust from this and just leave it. So basically this is the use of Q. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.